Hi, I'm Veruna and welcome to my channel Such's Eyes. Today is World Environment Day. Every year on the 5th of June, we celebrate World Environment Day. Created by the UN, it is a day to encourage awareness and action towards acknowledging environmental issues and protecting the environment. Themes are created every year to highlight certain issues. This year's theme is ecosystem restoration. And the global host is Pakistan. This year's theme focuses on relinking our relationship with nature. Set to launch is the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. This aims to prevent, halt, and reverse ecosystem degradation in efforts to end poverty, combat climate change, and prevent species mass extinction. There are great benefits we can gain from ecosystem restoration in regards to climate change and biodiversity extinction issues. However, after being so heavily affected by a global pandemic, it's good to note that a healthy ecosystem benefits essential health and mental health services. Cleaner and abundant resources, food security, and cleaner water puts communities at a lower risk of disease breakouts and other health issues. In addition to this, healthy ecosystems regulate cultural services, increases the availability of environmental goods and services, which boost our economy. This creates a stronger socioeconomic drive throughout the community, thus ensuring better mental well-being of community members. Forests, cities, wetlands, and oceans are ecosystems that we've seen degrade. We are living in a degrading ecosystem. Any small or large effort you make to live more sustainably and to be more in tune with your environment is what World Environment Day aims for. Today, globally, cities, organizations, and NGOs launch programs, events, and cleanups to spread awareness on this year's theme. However you choose to spend today is all good and well, but I hope at the very least you ask yourself the question, how do I appreciate the environment? Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Check out the links below and have a lovely Environment Day.